So in this video, I'm gonna give this ESP8266. I don't know how to spell it correctly, but yeah, today I'm gonna make this LED glow in order to add some effects that maybe makes your render look more beautiful than usual. Okay, so I take this model from the GrabCAD from this, I don't know how to spell this guy's name, but thank you very much. So this guy is made the SP8266 design, and it's pretty good detail, so I love this design. Good job. But now what we are gonna talk about is how to make these LEDs glowing. So let's check out in the rendered options. Click here. Yeah, so it just looks like that. It's just basically an LED, another LED, and it's not even glowing. So here's what you do to make it glow. I'm gonna see this in canvas render, so I'm gonna talk when I'm rendering this because it's gonna, it's cut and it is not really good talking when doing in canvas render and display record at the same time. My computer gonna lag a lot. So you didn't get any glow from that LED light. So here's what you do. In the design options, or maybe you can did it in the render options also, but it's not really good for your low performance laptop or computer. But yeah, I'm usually did it in design options like this. We click A button in our keyboard, and then the appearance option is pop out in the right side, or it could be in any sides, depending on your computer. And we search the library, we type LED, enter, and there must be a lot of type of LED here. The material that here right now is the LED blue, but something that I wanted to show you is we want to change this body to having an LED material. Let's use a lemon white, click and drag it to the body of this LED. Okay, that's enough. Now we jump up to the render options and then see the results of this material. Okay, click in canvas render. I'm not gonna talk in this process. You cannot hear it anyway. Okay, yeah, I hope my voice didn't get lag when I did the render, because I don't know, because I will not edit this video, so I'm gonna explain it again. So that's how you get glowing LED on your design. But now we want that this LED change the color, right? We don't want to only have white color in our lamp. So we click the appearance once more, Okay, and then click this, the material that we applied to this body. Click on fence, go to emissivity right here, pick the filter color, and now we pick the color that we wanted to. Okay, you can pick any color that you desire to, and let's take blue. That's how ESP8266 have usually. Okay, click apply. Okay, so you can see that the color is changing right here, and now we are moving to the render options, and we will see the difference after we change the material. Click this again, canvas render. Now let's change it again, the appearance. Okay, let's where is our, okay, click advanced more, go to emissivity, how this guy is spelled. We will take some darker one, but yeah. Okay, we change to maybe LED red, red. Sorry for that. So we change this LED to red color. Okay, apply. What? It's yellow. let's see. I don't know. I'm not really good at picking it. Oh. We glow and change the color in here in the fan. Make it up here to make sure it's not being yellow. So I want it absolute red. Okay, apply. Maybe now it's yeah, settings in, so apply. I'm gonna get and the excellence bar or